Okay, I'll be taking a single trade. I think I've already took some trade before. Now, but I'm gonna be tracking the trade with ends outside. Okay, I'm gonna be tracking the trade with ends outside. I've already done a couple of trades before now, but I want to capture one so that you can see me trading it with my signal, so that you can see me actually trading it with my signal. So let's see today's today's trade. Okay, you can see today already. I've already made like $3.8, and I've done four trades. Okay, I've done four trades. So I want to show you how I did these trades. Okay, I did them with the same signal setup. Okay, the reason why I did ends outside is because the market is on uptrend. Okay, it's not yet below 1,000. So the returns are like 5%, 4.5%, or 4 point something percent. So, and I wanted to get good profit margin. So it doesn't mean I cannot trade with it. I can still trade and make 5%, but I don't want 5%. Okay, so I'm going to wait for one signal, probably. Uh, okay, you can see it's just like 0.5, 0.5, then my stake. Okay, so I'm going to wait for signal. Once the signal shows up, I'll be back. You can see signal is upcoming, so let's come here. Be ready this time around. So we are ready this time around. Okay, you can see the notification. This is the notification, 452. That's 552. So I've made an entry based on the signal. I just wanted to show you so that you see that I'm actually trading with the signal. But this time around, I'm trading goes outside, ends outside, not goes outside. The signal works for both. It works for both, but you have to be very one is selective than the other. Okay, it's very selective than the other. Reason why me I like ends outside also is because ends outside can give me more profits. When this one goes out, if it was goes outside like this, okay, let me show you goes outside. We would have seen the result. Okay, one. Okay, it has been won already. Are you seeing it? Trade won already. The trade has been won already. Okay, for goes outside. Meaning you've already made like, normally it will give like 5% or something. I think because it is still above 1,000, it gives maybe 4.5 or something. 4.5%. So right now, that's the reason why I'm trading this one. Okay, this one is ends outside. I'm saying, you see these two lines that you're looking at. I'm saying the price is going to end outside these two lines. That is simply what I am trading. What I am saying is the market in 2 minutes, this thing will not end here. That means the market is going to move beyond this price. How do I know the market is going to move beyond this price? Because of the strategy. Okay, my strategy is simple. I've taught this so many times, so many places. It's low. Okay, you can see formation of low bars. Can you see formation of low bars? So it's low, high bars. That's what I trade. So like right now, this account. Okay, let's see if I can show you the progress of the account. Probably what we made today, right? So let's say back to today, so that I can refresh it. So it should be like maybe $4.8 or something. It has signed me out. Okay, so you can see today I've done 5 trades and they are all end outside. You can see the arrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Normally I don't encourage plenty trades. Okay, the reason why I traded this is I wanted to cash this out. Okay, I wanted to collect like $10. So I needed it to make up to like $10. What was there was like maybe, see, okay, you can see the profit I made. So I wanted to collect $10 and remain $10 to start a new version. Okay, so that's it. It's very simple. I will always recommend you to use Bakari Pay. Okay, that's the person I use with my withdrawal, deposit, and so you can see this one is today. Okay, this withdrawal is today. I've collected $17. So now, if I had another $10 to it, that's like 20. Let's say $30. $30 is like 45,000. Okay, so slow and steady. This is for yesterday. Okay, Sunday. So it's slow and steady. So Bakari Pay, you just chat him up, you make your withdrawal, you can see request using payment agent. So all I need to do now is to cash out. So I'll just show you how I turn the profits made into Naira. Okay, to complete the process. So I've actually moved from that 20.82, I've moved 10 to my USD. So all I need to do is to search for Bakari Pay. Okay, you'll see Bakari Business Service Ltd. So all you need to do is enter your amount. It will be a lot easier if you you see, all you just need to do is click on this. If you use payment agent to make your first deposit, it will be a lot easier to also use that method to collect your money. So all I need to do is click on transfer now, and you see it's gone. So I can make withdrawal anytime of the day, anytime whatsoever it is. You can see now this thing is back to zero. So the next thing I do, you can see his number there. I just chat him up. I copy my bank details. Okay, I copy my bank details and I sent the screenshot of my withdrawals to him, and then I received the payment. So maybe I'll just pause until I get to see the money coming, so that you can see complete process of cashing out. Okay, so once I send this to him, already, if you want to know his withdrawal payment amount, you will get to see it. So next thing is I'm going to pause. When he responds, then we'll continue. Okay, sorry, I got carried away. I was doing other things. You can see 608. He has already responded. I sent this to him 607, and he responded 608. Sorry, I got carried away with some other stuff. I've even forgotten I was recording. So it has been paid. So how much is $10 something cents? So you can see the amount here now, right? You can see the amount, 16,000 naira. Okay, 16,000 naira. So that's the amount here, 16,444 something. So that's from me showing you from trading it, growing the money small. When it's up to $10, you cash it out, you collect using payment agent. You want to deposit, also use payment agent. It's very fast and very quick. So see you another time.